Hello children, how are you all? Once again I am here with a new lesson, that is lesson number 12. We are going to do days of the week. Yes, the new lesson what we are going to do is days of the week. Now what is the meaning of week? Yes children, yes. You say no, Sunday, Monday, yes, these are the days of the week. Yes, okay. Now lesson number 12, days of the week. Now how many days are there in a week children? Yes, there are 7 days in a week. Yes, have you counted ever? There are 7 days in a week. Yes. Okay, now if I ask you the question, how many days are there in a week? You should know. There are 7 days in a week. Okay, now we will start with the first day of the week. Yes. Sunday. Yes. Can you see the first day of the week? Sunday. S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. The first day of the week. Sunday. Then Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. Then Tuesday. After Monday, which day comes? Tuesday. So T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. The third day is Tuesday. The third day is Tuesday. After Tuesday, Wednesday. Yes, after Tuesday, which day we say? We say Wednesday. So, the spelling for Wednesday is W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Yes, after Tuesday, Wednesday. Then Thursday. After Wednesday, which day comes children? Thursday. So the spelling for Thursday is T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Yes children, the spelling for Thursday is T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. Now, after Thursday, which day comes? You all know children? Friday. Yes, after Thursday, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. The spelling for Friday is F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. And after Friday, the last week of the day is Saturday. The last day of the week is Saturday. So, the spelling for Saturday is S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. Okay. Now children, once again we will say the days of the week. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yes, now can you see some of the sentences are written over here? Yes. Okay. We will just read out the sentence and you have to remember it. Okay. The first day of the week is Sunday. Yes, your daddy is at home because it is a holiday. Yes. The first day of the week is Sunday. The second day of the week is Monday. After Sunday, Monday you all have to go to school. Daddy also has to go to work. All the offices are open. So, the second day of the week is Monday. After Monday, the third day of the week is Tuesday. The third day of the week is Tuesday. The fourth day of the week is Wednesday. The fourth day of the week is Wednesday. The fifth day of the week is Thursday. Yes children, the fifth day of the week is Thursday. The sixth day of the week is Friday. The sixth day of the week is Friday. And the seventh day of the week. Yes, which is that children? Yes, it is Saturday. Which day it is? Saturday. Okay, now children, we have some fill in the blanks over here. Yes, so you have to do this fill in the blanks with me. Now, in this fill in the blanks, we are going to write the answer. Okay children? A week has dash days. Now first only I told you how many days are there in a week? Yes, children, it is 7 days. So the answer, a week has 7 days. So what you are going to write here? 7. Yes. Your week has 7 days. Okay. Now the first day of the week is, yes children, the first day of the week is, now only we did, yes, it is Sunday. The first day of the week is Sunday. Okay, now the next one. The day before Monday is the day before Monday. What we say before Monday? Yes, again Sunday. So the day before Monday is Sunday. Okay, now Friday is the, yes, Friday is the, which day children? 6th day. Yes, Sunday is the first day, Monday is the second day, Tuesday is the third day, Wednesday is the fourth day, Thursday is the 5th day, and Friday is the 6th day. So what you will write here? Friday is the 6th day of the week. SIXTH, 6th day of the week. Okay. Now the next blank over here is the day after Tuesday is, what do you say? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. After Tuesday, what do you say? Correct, Wednesday. So the day after Tuesday is Wednesday. So you will write your answer Wednesday. Okay. Now the last day of the week. The last day of the week is, yes, very good, it is Saturday. The last day of the week is Saturday. Okay. So children, we have done this, fill in the blanks. You also have to do. Now, the next thing is, what we are having here is, fill in the missing letters to make the days of the week. What you are going to do is, you have to fill in the missing letters. Yes children, you have to do the fill in the missing letters. Now, the first one is done for you. Can you see? The first one is done for you. Now the second one, it is written MON. So what is the missing letters are there? Yes, DAY. So what you are going to write here? DAY. Yes children. Now the next one, TUES. Yes, what is the missing letters over here? DAY, Tuesday. If we write DAY, it will become Tuesday. So what you are going to do? Again you will write DAY. Okay, now the next one, WEDNES. Wednesday, the missing letters are DAY. So again you will write DAY. Okay children. Now after this, again their missing letters are there. Okay. Now THURS. Now which are the missing letters? Yes. DAY. Yes. Thursday. It becomes Thursday. Now the next one, FRI is given. Now which is the missing letter? Yes. DAY. So Friday. What it becomes? Friday. Now the last one, SATUR. So now which is the missing letter over here? Day. DAY. So it becomes Saturday. Yes children. So this way we have fill in the blanks. Yes, we have fill in the letters with the missing letters. Okay children, have you understood? Days of the week. The days of the week, there are 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay? Hope you have understood, children. Take care. Bye all of you.